So Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you another video on Jupiter in the 4th house. Well, in this video we'll talk on Jupiter along with some numerological combinations so that you may understand in detail what Jupiter in the 4th house will be giving result to you. So let's start the video. So let's understand Jupiter in the 4th house here. Well, Jupiter is the planet of wisdom. Jupiter shows how much spiritual a person is. Jupiter is the planet of wealth. Jupiter is the planet of growth. It shows positivity in a person's life, how much optimistic a person is, how much determined a person is. Jupiter is also the karka of your childbirth. Jupiter shows the cure of your disease. If you have got any disease, how easily you are able to cure yourself out of that disease is shown by Jupiter. Jupiter is the planet of overall prosperity in a person's life. It's a planet of expansion. So when it comes in your 4th house, well, 4th house is the house of mother. 4th house shows land and property. The assets that you have are shown by the 4th house. 4th house is the house of luxuries also. It's a house of vehicle that you have. So when Jupiter, this planet, comes in the 4th house, first of all, it magnifies the results of the 4th house. You will find these people are having humongous properties or huge properties under their name. Okay. Then Jupiter, since it is aspecting your 8th house also from its 5th aspect, so what happens? These people are able to get their ancestor properties. They are able to get sudden gains in their life, huge gains. All of a sudden they will come to know that they have property on their name. All of a sudden they had invested some money somewhere and they found that that money has multiplied to a great extent. So this is how 8th house gives them result when Jupiter is placed in the 4th house. It also helps a person in curing the disease, because whenever the Jupiter aspects, it reduces the ill effects of that particular house. So when 8th house is the house of disease also, 8th house also give accidents to the jatak, to the person. So when Jupiter is aspecting from its 5th aspect to the 8th house, it cures a person. It doesn't let or get that person into get into diseases, or the person doesn't suffer any kind of accidents. He doesn't go through all that problems of the 8th house. Moreover, this house helps a person to get a good monetary help or good assets from their in-laws also. They will be having property with their wife. Her wife, that person's spouse also, it might be for the girl also that her husband will be able to help her, or in-laws will be from a very wealthy family. They will be helping the jatak, the person, in accumulating wealth here with this placement. So this placement also helps a person to get good vehicles in their life. Okay, the luxuries they are able to get from this placement. Moreover, from Jupiter in the 4th house, this house also helps a person to get wisdom from their mother. You will find these people, the mother of these people are very intellectual, are very kind of lady that has good wisdom. People around will be, or people in their circle will be looking forward for her mother to take advices. And moreover, these people you will find are very generous people, because Jupiter here makes a person very, you may say, very warm-hearted people, very generous people, very kind people. Okay, since Jupiter is aspecting from its 7th aspect, Jupiter is aspecting your 10th house also. So in the business or in the work front also, you will find these people are not able to do anything wrong in their life. Okay, they will always be doing things which are appropriate, which are as per the norms. They will not be able to cheat anyone with this placement here. Well, Jupiter from its ninth aspect is aspecting your 12th house also. So when it aspects your 12th house, it helps a person to cure its expenses. Okay, because 12th house is a house of losses. So this person is able to curb his expenses. He will not be a person who will be extravagant. He will always remain very you may say intelligent, or very money minded kind of person. He will be able to control his expenses and will be able to put it in a better place. He will more be into investing into a market, or doing kind of investments rather wasting his money. So Jupiter will be able to cure his expenses. Jupiter will be able to help this person to get benefits through investments also with this placement. So the losses will be cured basically. So what happens when numerology comes into picture? When in numerology you will find if somebody has 88 in his date of birth, then this placement of Jupiter is going to be very fruitful for this Jatak, for this person. From 88, the person will be able to have good, or property related matters are going to be very fruitful for this person. He will be able to get gains through property when 88 is there in his date of birth. Or if 6 is also there, 6 number is also there in the date of birth, then the person will be having properties, many properties under his name, plus he will be having good vehicles also. He will be having luxuries of property and luxuries of vehicles as well as. So guys, this is my observation on Jupiter in the 4th house. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell notification. So thank you all. Have a nice day. Namaskar.